Let's fill out the Ohio Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you've got a dirt bike to sell, or maybe you're buying one, and you need to make sure the paperwork is done right. Let's walk through what this state requires for your bill of sale. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. The buyer signs the application for the certificate of title, and the bill of sale itself is executed by the seller and filed with the clerk by the buyer. The clerk then signs it and seals it with the clerk's official seal. Now, notarization. This state does require the document to be sworn to before a notary public or another officer who is empowered to administer oaths. The buyer swears to the information, and the transferor swears to the true selling price and the true odometer reading. Speaking of the odometer, remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.